Okay, so we are going to give you a quick room tour of our room here at the Charlotte City Marriott. We are in Uptown Charlotte. So we do have a king room. So let me give you a quick tour and show you what we have. Okay, so when you first enter, you will see the restroom to your immediate left. When you come in, there is a vanity area with a nice, huge, bright mirror. You have a makeup mirror, your Kleenexes, a full-length mirror. Then you have some shelf space at the bottom with your towels, washcloths, hand towels, blow dryer, and your toilet paper there. And then you also have your shower. So this does have a hand wand and a rainfall shower head. You do have your Marriott This Works essentials, your shampoo, your conditioner, and your body wash. And the actual hand controls for the shower is over on this wall. So this is where your hand wand and your shower head is, and this is where the hand control is, right? Then you also have a bath mat hanging right there for you. And yeah, that is the bathroom. It does have a frosted sliding door, so there's no like connection. So I guess at night it does help with, not waking anybody up. As long as you don't slam it, you should be good to go. All right, and then right outside the door to your immediate right, you will have some closet space. So we do have one drawer here. You have plenty of shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have a small little closet with a iron and then a slot for your ironing board, some hangers, plenty of space down below, and then again a full length mirror. You walk a little further into the room. You do have your thermostat here. It's currently set on 70 degrees and is beautiful. This is a connecting room. You also have a coffee bar and a drink bar. So you have your ice bucket here, your 2 glasses, your coffee maker, your coffee, some cups in here. You have some teas, your sugar, and all that stuff to make your coffee. Then you have a drawer here, and it has the Bible and the Book of Mormon. Praise the Lord. You also have a Marriott Extend Your Stay booklet, and then a Sea of Charlotte booklet. Right, and right down below here, you do have a cooler. Okay, it's a cooler here. All right. There is a bench here right underneath the TV. As you can see, pretty big wall-mounted TV, and it's kind of into a decorative backing, so love that. Then you do have some lighting here with some additional USB ports and a charger here. And I don't think this no, that does not pull out. All right, and then you have a Brandon. Say hi, Brandon. Oh. This is kind of like a couch area and a work area, which I love this. So it's like a desk. So definitely we'll be sitting here and doing a little things. This is our view outside of our room. We are on the 12th floor. Love it, love it, love it. And then you have here a nightstand, both on each side. They mirror each other. So you have your 2 outlets, your USB, and then you have an alarm clock with a USB as well. And then you have a wireless charger area where you can just put your phone down and it'll charge. There's a USB-C on this side. And then you have some space below. This is the king size bed. Like I said earlier, it is a little bit lower than the last Marriott, the Courtyard Marriott that we stayed in, but it looks just as plush. And then on this side, it mirrors other, except for it just has a telephone. Love the light fixtures in here. The room is bright in the right places, dark in the right places, so it's kind of mood setting. And that is a quick tour of our room here at the Charlotte City Marriott. If you guys are looking for somewhere to stay on your next vacation, reach out to me. My name is Siobhan, and always on the go travel, and I will help you get booked on your next adventure. Ready for a travel experience that's truly elevated? Reach out to Siobhan at wanderkeep.com or just scan the QR code and let's start planning your next unforgettable journey, because your journey deserves to be elevated.